Emphasizing eco-friendly paper production requires prioritizing automated tank cleaning processes. I'm Anna, and I'll showcase solutions that guarantee safety while highlighting their environmental advantages. A major benefit is the substantial reduction in waste and resource consumption. Through efficient automated cleaning, we enhance safety and minimize environmental footprint. Cleaner and greener using automated tank cleaning from Scanjet. An automated tank cleaning solution can be implemented in various stages of both the pulp and paper processes, covering tanks such as black liquor tanks, bleaching tanks, pulp tower, as well as the wire pit and many other tanks that is requiring cleaning. Taking a closer look at the pulp tower, the Scanjet model SC40RT, a turbine-driven tank cleaning system, offers easy installation. Operating within a pressure range of 5 to 12 bar, it utilizes white water or filtrate as cleaning media. During the entire production process, changes in the amount of material inside the pulp towers can cause the pulp to dry on the surface or drop off in big chunks, which interrupts the workflow. Use the SC40RT tank cleaner often but for short periods to avoid buildups. This method prevents the pulp from drying on the tank surface, making production smoother. Using an automated tank cleaning machine like the SC15TW for your tanks enhances operational safety by removing the need for manual cleaning and operator exposure to hazardous conditions, especially when using chemicals. Another advantage of automated cleaning is its consistency. The process does not suffer from variability, such as worker having a bad Monday, ensuring repeatable and reliable cleaning results every time. Our tank cleaning machine offers flexibility with options for fixed or hose-mounted installations, as demonstrated here. The hose installation is particularly suited for tanks and locations, such as the wire pit, which do not require regular cleaning. By utilizing automated tank cleaning, it is possible to realize water savings of up to 70% compared to traditional tank cleaning methods. This significant reduction in water usage is made possible through the powerful mechanical impact delivered by the strong cleaning jets. Let us assist you on your path to more sustainable production, helping you save water and reduce waste. For further details, please visit www.scanjet.net, where you will find a contact list for our worldwide sales partners. Thank you for your attention.